Tearing through the green, playing back the scene, nostalgic for lost time, living somewhere in between. I don't recall your name, I loved you just the same. Shadows of what's long ago are all that's left in frame. We walk before we learn to crawl, never minding the writing on the wall. In a sense, we have been clothed in a cocoon, emerging much too soon, racing for the sun and then pining for the moon. At last our hand is played, the moment now betrayed, reaching for your fingers as the print begins to fade. We walk before we learn to crawl, never minding the writing on the wall. In a sense, we have been clothed in a cocoon, emerging much too soon, racing for the sun and then pining for the moon. It isn't what you do, and it's not what you say.